Today's video, I'm going to show you how to complete your Google Ads keyword research the right way for 2025. This simple process will help you find the best keywords, plan smarter campaigns, and use your budget more effectively. Start by heading to the Google Ads homepage. This is where your entire advertising journey begins. At the top right corner, click the sign in button and log into your account. You'll land on the Google Ads home dashboard. Think of it as your control center for everything, from campaign setup to performance tracking. Take a moment to look around and get familiar with the layout. A clear understanding of where things are helps you work faster and build campaigns more confidently. Now, look toward the top navigation bar and find the Tools icon. This section contains several powerful features that can support your marketing strategy. Click on the Tools icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the Keyword Planner. This is one of the most valuable tools inside Google Ads. It helps you discover new keyword opportunities, understand search demand, and see how competitive different keywords are. This information is crucial for building strong, data-driven campaigns. Inside Keyword Planner, choose the option to discover new keywords. Enter words or phrases related to your product, service, or niche. Be intentional. Your input keywords should reflect exactly what your target customers might search for. Once you click search, Google will generate a long list of keyword ideas for you. As you browse these suggestions, focus on keywords that are relevant, practical, and aligned with your goals. Relevance is key because the more closely your keywords match your offering, the more likely you are to reach the right audience. Pay close attention to search volume, competition levels, and trend data. These insights help you understand what people are searching for and how tough it might be to rank for specific terms. Use the filters to refine your results further. You can narrow down by location, language, and even exclude terms you don't want. As you refine your list, identify a mix of broad, medium, and low competition keywords. This balance helps you reach more people while keeping your costs efficient. Once you've gathered your keywords, save the promising ones into a plan. This makes it easier to build ads later without losing track of your research. With these optimized keywords, your campaigns will perform better, reach the right customers, and deliver stronger results. That's how you properly conduct Google Ads keyword research for 2025. Process will help you stay ahead of competition and create campaigns that truly work. Happy Google ad making!